What if I told you that Mr. Beast went from over 40% body fat to under 20% in just a year? And he did it without starving himself or doing extreme workouts. Today, we're breaking down his exact diet, workout, and secrets to staying consistent so you can transform too. Section 1. Mr. Beast's Fitness Journey. Mr. Beast, aka Jimmy Donaldson, is known for his crazy challenges and billion-dollar YouTube empire. But did you know he was once struggling with his health? At one point, he was over 40% body fat and feeling sluggish all the time. He knew it was time for a change. So, he committed to a fitness journey that completely transformed his life. Let's break down exactly how he did it. Section 2. Mr. Beast's Diet Plan. Unlike extreme diets, Mr. Beast focused on caloric deficit, eating fewer calories than he burned, while still enjoying food. Meal 1. High-protein breakfast. Example, scrambled eggs, whole wheat toast, avocado, and black coffee. Starting the day with protein and healthy fats keeps you full longer and stabilizes your energy levels. Meal 2. Clean lunch. Example, grilled chicken breast, quinoa, steamed veggies. Instead of fast food, he prioritized high-protein meals with fiber-rich carbs to keep his metabolism running. Meal 3. Light dinner. Example, salmon, brown rice, and sautéed greens. Fish like salmon is packed with omega-3s, which help with recovery and brain function, important for someone running a massive business. Snacks and cheat meals. He still allowed cheat meals but focused on portion control. His go-to snacks, protein bars and fruits instead of sugary junk. Section 3. His workout routine. Eating healthy is just one part of the equation. Mr. Beast also trained consistently to burn fat and build muscle. Here's his workout breakdown. Step 1. Walking 12,500 plus steps daily. One simple yet powerful habit. Walking over 12,500 steps per day. This helped him burn extra calories without exhausting himself. Step 2. Strength training. Example. Routine. Squats 3 sets of 10. Bench press. 3 sets of 8 deadlifts. 3 sets of 8. Pull-ups. 3 sets of 10. These compound exercises burn fat and build muscle at the same time. Step 3. Cardio and active lifestyle. He also mixed in light cardio like cycling and swimming. The goal? Stay active without overdoing it. Section 4. The mindset shift that made it all work. But here's the thing. None of this would have worked if Mr. Beast didn't change his mindset first. 1. He stopped making excuses. At first, he thought he was too busy to work out. But he realized if he had time to run a billion-dollar company, he had time to stay healthy. 2. He focused on small wins. Instead of aiming for an overnight six-pack, he set realistic goals, like eating 1 healthy meal a day or walking 10,000 steps. Small wins lead to big changes. 3. He made fitness fun. Rather than dreading workouts, he turned them into a challenge. He competed with friends, set rewards, and made fitness a game. Section 5. How you can apply this to your life. So, what can you do to get in shape like Mr. Beast? Let's break it down. 1. Start small, but be consistent. Walk more, eat better, and commit to one small fitness habit every day. 2. Track your calories, but don't obsess. Use an app to monitor what you eat. Awareness is key. 3. Lift weights and stay active. Strength training burns fat long-term, and daily movement keeps your energy high. 4. Find a way to make it fun. Whether it's a step challenge, playing sports, or training with friends. Make fitness something you enjoy. Final thoughts and call to action. Mr. Beast's transformation proves that anyone can get in shape. No matter how busy you are. The key? Small, consistent changes over time. If he can do it, so can you. If you're inspired by Mr. Beast's journey, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crazy fitness breakdowns. See you in the next one.